It's just Gigi. Gigi. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Just Gigi. Ooh, let's get it. So today I am doing something so different for you guys. Like, I'm going to be vlogging my day. It is the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, guys. So today I'm going to be vlogging my day, starting with my morning. So this is how I wake up, looking fugly, but it's okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush my teeth and get myself together. I can't even get myself together. I'm trying to get myself together. So it is, I started my morning off early. It is freaking 9:59, almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and we got a lot to do because for some strange reason I knew the 4th was coming up and I knew I had at least a week and a half to get me some clothes, but I didn't go get me nothing to wear, and I didn't get my baby nothing to wear. So what is wrong with me? I don't know, but I'm gonna go find us something to wear right now. Okay, so that's why it's this early. I have to go get my mom's truck cleaned out, and then I have to find me and my baby something to wear, and then we gonna hit the streets. Okay, so give me a second and I'm finna brush my teeth. Okay, so I just got out the shower and now I'm about to go put my clothes in the laundry room, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm washing my clothes right now real quick, and then I just stole this room spray from my auntie, which I'm finna take it to the car because we finna go to the car wash, y'all. So please prepare yourself for that. Yeah, I'm finna put some lotion on my body because I ain't lotion up, and then we finna head out. We got stuff to do, moves to make, people to see, places to be. Okay, see y'all soon. Okay, so I just made it to Roseland, and I'm finna go through these little fake shops because ain't much of shit over here. But like I said, I was last minute getting my outfit, so I'm finna be last minute finding something to wear. So please bear with me. Bear with me. Won't you bear with me? Okay, so I just went to the store. I found me this cute ass shirt. I already got some cute ass glasses. I just need a bag and some pants or shorts or something. I already got my shoes, and then I need a necklace and some ankle bracelets. Right now I just stopped in the HOOD. Nah, I'm just playing. But I just stopped at my auntie house, so I'm finna go up there and say hey and bye to my people because I will be leaving and going home tomorrow. I've been out here for almost 2 weeks. I'm ready to go home. I miss my bed. I miss my peace, myself, and all that. So I'll see y'all when I get up out of here. Deuces. Come on, everything. He said, move your Oh, hey, baby, what's your name? Go, girl. It's your birthday. Oh, your birthday. I ain't hear no boy. We don't pay no. See, David. He ain't worried about you.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah, no, a small icy too. She cashed up you already.
Zelle.
Well, Zelle too. And I want blue and coconut.
Get some ice. Coronavirus, maybe. Okay.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. You are mama funniest kid.
He watched my videos and I'm recording right now, so.
So you can know you're funny.
I was gonna say, don't get to talking crazy about taboo. Oh my God, she trying to hit me.
She disrespected her.
Child
auntie.
abuse.
She disrespected
Child
her
abuse.
auntie.
Yes, so I got my little corn in a cup. Listen to me. And I just vacuumed this car. Lord Jesus.
Well, you should have mixed it up outside.
Yeah, you was doing it. You did right.
I know how to get in.
Okay, so I got my corn in the cup. Did a little mix it. Why the fuck it's so good? Why the fuck? Ooh, it's spicy. That cayenne pepper ain't nothing to play with. Why the fuck? Oh my God.
I tried to get you a medium.
No, I ain't gonna eat all that. I'm gonna go eat it.
Baby.
Fuck, it's so good. Then you got.
Look like a little wolf, don't he?
You got your icing? I got blue and coconut. I wish I had some liquor.
Go get a shot from the liquor store.
Five. Okay, YouTube, I'm out here looking like somebody's husband, okay? Just looking a mess, a fool. And I feel like I done been to a million stores or whatnot, so bear with me. I've been trying to do my little content, but bear with me, okay? I gotta go to one more store, which is the beauty supply store again, because I didn't think like, oh, I'm wearing red, I could do red lipstick and I could do red hair tie in my hair. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that situated, and then I'm gonna head home to start getting ready. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Just Gigi, and this is gonna be my look for the day. I got on my ripped jeans and my Converse and whatnot to go with it, and then of course I got on this little shirt that's cut through the middle and whatnot. Got my cute little glasses, okay? And like I said, I'm going to be taking you all through the day. I'm gonna show y'all what my baby got on with her cute self, okay? Oh, and there go my girl looking good. I told her to do a couple twirls, of course. Really check you out of you pies. I like you pies. Go, girl. This some of the fireworks they had, y'all. They kept bringing them in, y'all. They had so many. It was crazy. Oh my goodness. What's up, y'all? So I'm at White Castle. I'm so hungry right now. Like, what the F? The line is so long. Like, it's moving so freaking slow. So look at my cute little glasses, my cute little top, or whatever, and my boo, she sleep. I was finna get her some freaking, I was finna get her a cheeseburger, and she sleep. So I'm gonna get myself a, I'm gonna get a 12-piece chicken ring. Ooh, cause it's gonna be fat. Ooh, 12-piece chicken ring, small fry, and a chocolate and vanilla shake. It's gonna be so fat. But I'm gonna hit y'all. Well, I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get my food, so y'all can see what I'm working with. Okay, that's what I got. White Castle. Let me show y'all what I got. Chicken sandwich with everything sauce, pickles, and onions. for sure you're right on. For sure you're right on. I got some fries. They only good when they fresh. Only good when they fresh. I got a chocolate shake. Chocolate and vanilla. I asked for a small, but this is a medium. Cool with me. I waited so long. And yes, I'm eating it with a fork. Oh, this tastes like heaven. Golly, Jesus.